In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional company profile in Canva. We'll walk through everything step by step so that by the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-share company profile that looks like it was designed by a pro, even if you're new to Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. On the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type Company Profile or Business Profile. Canva will show you a collection of templates specifically designed for this purpose. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a layout that matches your brand style and the kind of image you want to project, whether that's modern and minimal, bold and colorful, or very corporate and formal. Once you find a template you like, click on it. Then choose Customize this template to open it in the editor. This is where the fun begins. Start by updating the text with your own company information. Replace the placeholder company name with yours, and update the tagline or short description to clearly explain what your business does. Move through each page of the template and change the dummy text to your actual content, your mission and vision, your core services or products, your team overview, and any key achievements or milestones you want to highlight. As you edit, keep your writing concise and easy to read. Use short paragraphs and clear headings so that anyone viewing your profile can quickly understand who you are and what you offer. If a section in the template isn't relevant to your business, you can simply delete it or repurpose it for something more useful, like client testimonials or case studies. Next, update the visuals. Click on any image in the template and use the Replace option to upload your own photos, such as your logo, office images, or product shots. Try to use high-quality, well-lit images to keep everything looking polished. Adjust image sizes and positions so they feel balanced on the page, and make sure your logo appears consistently, usually on the cover and one or two key pages. Then, customize the colors and fonts to match your brand. In the toolbar, change the color of shapes, headlines, and accents to your brand colors. Do the same with fonts. Pick one main font for headings and another simple, readable font for body text. This consistency is what makes your profile look professional and on-brand. When everything looks good, go through each page one more time to check spelling, alignment, and spacing. Finally, click Share or Download. Choose PDF for a clean, printable file, and save your company profile. You can now send it to clients, attach it to proposals, or share it during presentations.